on this computer. This is session 5 of the Build It Yourself self-training or bootcamp. Today we are going to discuss about software design process, but before that, let's remember what we have gone through in the session 1, just to be sure that we are on the same, I can say, same page. So we have talked earlier on what is software development. We have talked about why we learn software development. Then this is the cycle that we are going to discuss today. We are going through each of them one by one. Also, we have discussed Python. We have learned how to install Python, and we have discussed also about the IDE. We have downloaded VS Code, and we have learned the version control. We have also spoke about the debugger inside the Visual Studio. So I'm not going to have another session on debugger. So this slide is completely done. You have learned all these, and also you have learned Python. Tomorrow, most probably will go through the, I think, JavaScript. Let me just double check. I'm just preparing a project, and I will see what language I will be using on it. And this one, there is nothing to mention, and this one is self-explanatory. So if you go to, did I share this these slides with you? This one?
Yes, you should.
I shared the
Yeah,
PDF.
you should.
Okay. So this PDF will stick with you until June. Okay. And in our first session in June, we are going to go through it again, just to be sure that you remember everything we have discussed in these 2 weeks. Today, we are going to discuss about the design cycle, the software development life cycle, I can say. And tomorrow and after tomorrow, we are going to work on a project, okay? And by that, we will end our sessions for these 2 weeks. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and after tomorrow is Thursday. Do you prefer to have the same timing in the morning, or you would like to switch into the afternoon for tomorrow and after tomorrow? What is your preference?
I prefer morning, but I don't know about the rest.
Okay,
Yeah, me too. I prefer
yeah.
morning.
Okay, خلاص. So we stick on the same time tomorrow. I will update you on the group this evening what time it will be, but most probably it will be 10 to 12, but I will confirm. Okay. So what I wanted to say again is we are going to go through the software development life cycle today. Okay. But before I go there, anyone is having any question from what we have discussed until today? Anyone is not able to install any of the tools? No?
I think everybody's fine with it.
Everybody is fine. This is awesome. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about SDLC. So let's just let me just do one thing. I will share with you a website that will help you to, let me share my screen. I'm already sharing, correct? Okay. So quickly we go through the life cycle. So we have the planning, we have the design, we have the development, we have the testing, deployment, and maintenance. I think earlier we have discussed it. So today we are going through and more details about this. Okay, so if I go to Google, now I'm teaching you how to search. Okay, if I go to Google and I write software development lifecycle documentation, okay, we will have different I can say resources. Let's check the different resources that we have. This one is small, this one is small. Let's see if we have, and the image is something big, because it will be easier for you to, if I go to more tools, I say size, I say large. Okay, super. If I go here, I open this. If I go here, okay, SDLC phases. So we have here. So if you look at this one here, here they have mentioned additional steps. So they say the project kickoff. Okay, that's okay. So if we convert this, let's just put this side by side. Okay, this is what I have mentioned for you earlier, and this is what we have in the website here. Okay, so they are saying project kickoff. Okay, no problem. It's part of the planning. Then requirements gathering, part of the planning, analysis, part of the planning. Okay, and then we come to design. So these three steps are here in the planning. Okay, and then you do the design, and then you do the development, then you do testing, then you do deployment, and then you do operation and maintenance. Okay, so this is a good resource. I will just take it from here, I copy, and I will go to the WhatsApp group and I will put it for you. Okay, so this is one of the resources that you can use to understand the SDLC phases. Please stop me at any moment if you have any question. So this is one of the resources that can be used, SDLC phases. Okay. Now, if we go and check what they have mentioned in this image, let me open image in a different tab. Let me just, yeah, let's look at this. So we see that there are different phases here. We have the formulation. So here it's saying the project initiation, rough order of magnitude, project development estimate. So I think this phase you have done it already. In your pitch, you have the timeline, correct? So you have done the project initiation, we can say, okay?
Yeah.
You do the project development estimate, you know what you want to do, and all this. Now, we come to the phase 2, requirements planning, okay? And here we can see it's different steps. So you have requirements definition, you have project management plan, you have the functional requirement, the technical requirement, the requirements review and approval, statement of work, a change of scope, whatever, okay? So this is the second barrel. Anyone is not understanding any of these here in this column, the requirements definition? Any questions? Don't be shy.
No questions.
Okay, awesome. Then we move to the design step. We can say that there will be internal and external design. Internal is, let's assume that you have a small team and a big team. The small team is doing for a specific functionality. Then you do internal design. And then you can ask an expert to do an offline review or online review. And that will be an external design. Then the design review, which will happen. Then you can do the detailed project development, and it will be part of the design. And this we call it usually the SDD, which is the software development, software design document, software design document. So this, the output of this detailed project development, it will be an SDD, software design document. Okay. Then you come to the construct. You develop the prototype. You do a code review. Or we call it also the coding here. So the actual coding is happening in phase 4. And after that, you do the testing, you do the product release, and do the enhancement and maintenance. Any questions? We are good? Okay. So I will close this screen. Just give me a second. I will never this. Okay. I think here we can say that from my point of view, okay, this is just, you can go through the resources, but this is not as important for me. Let's check what is this. It looks nicer. So here, if we go inside, we can say that this guy have done this guide and you will need 12 minutes to read it. And first, I think he is defining the SDLC, then he is defining what is the SDLC as a concept. So it is a structured process that merges the critical stages of software development to deliver a high quality. And after that, what we can look at is, again, here we have the steps. So we have the planning, analysis, design, implementation as what we have in the. So this is a good. And here let's look at this one. So I will open this image on a new tab, and this is just looking nicer. So requirements and analysis. What I can do is actually save this image also. I put it into this. Oh, sorry, no, not like this. I save the image as. Okay, right. I do one thing. I will do like this. Okay, and then I will do a snip. So we will share this between us in the group. So tomorrow we can discuss while we are looking at the project that we are going to do, what each phase will include, okay? This is just a generic one, but for each project you'll have a slightly differences in the details that you are applying, okay? So this one I will name it SDLC. And I will just put it at the desktop, and I will come to the WhatsApp group. Yeah, I think here it's not showing. I will come to my screen. Just give me a second. Yes, SDLC. If you check the WhatsApp now, you'll see the image in the WhatsApp. Okay, now what we can do is actually we can go also here to the website, and I can copy also this resource for you. So I just list it, and I click. Okay, so we have two resources until now, which is talking about SDLC. This is just to give you the ability to study. The more you go through the content, the more professional you become in your career. And you can see that there's a lot of explanations in the images here, but I will say this is enough. Okay, so now we have to go back to the IBM, not this one, sorry. What I can say, I believe this is a good resource also. So this resource is, it is mentioning what is the waterfall software development lifecycle, but I don't prefer to use waterfall. Now, when we come to the software development lifecycle, you will see that there is two types of life cycles. There is the agile one, or the agile they call it, or the agile, and there is the waterfall. The waterfall, the concept of the waterfall, that you do the full development, and then you move to testing. So it is very, and then you do the maintenance or the fixing of issues. But this is not very good, because it means that you will finish each phase completely. It means that you will have a large, I can say, code at the end of your development, and then you do testing for that. And if there's an issue, then the changes that you will do will take time. While in Agile, you start to work on features, and you just publish feature by feature, and even testing the feature by itself will be this time and this money, I can say. It will not cost a lot, okay? So if we come here, this is just talking about waterfall. Let's check if we have a resource on Agile. So Agile SDLC. Okay. Definition of Agile SDLC. It is based on collaborative decision making between requirements and solution items, and cyclical and iterative progression of producing working software. So if I go here, okay, this is just, and this is it. Why it's important to understand the Agile software development life cycle? Because most probably you'll use it in your development. One thing that I want to mention here, that you are going to work on your own project, that's correct, and Agile will be a good way to do it. And yes, I forgot really what I wanted to say, but yeah, if we go, I think this is a good website, tutorials point here. Agile SDLC model is a combination of iterative and incremental process models, which focus on the process adaptability and customer satisfaction by rapid delivery of working software product. Anyone can elaborate on this, just to be sure that you guys are with me and I'm not losing you because of the theory. Today is more theory, so I just want to be sure that I'm not losing you. So this website is nice here, okay? So and in the agile definition, if we take this definition here, okay, and I will just put it in a PowerPoint here, okay, and let's just remove this here, and let's remove this here, and I will paste it, okay. Now just I'll make it big so you can, yeah, I mean you can think of this is the fine, okay. So it's saying Agile SDLC model. Okay. Now we said that there is two models of SDLC. Who can mention the two models for me? We have the Agile, and what is the other one?
Waterfall.
Waterfall, exactly. So in Agile, it's saying it's a combination of iterative and incremental process models. Okay. So this is very important. It's a combination of iterative and incremental process models. Okay. Which is focusing on what? The process
The
of
agile is focusing on having each feature testing on its own. So you finish one feature, you test it, like,
exactly. You are
so
right.
that you don't run into
Yeah,
many.
what is Marina?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's exactly the thing that you do feature by feature, meaning that you don't publish the full app with the full things, but it's important to have the app in the first launch in what we call the MVP, the minimal viable product. What does minimal viable product means? Now, in your case, can we look at? Can someone share with me the pitch of build it yourself in the WhatsApp? I will download it and I will open it and we will discuss some
okay.
points from your.
I
Uh,
can see.
okay, here it's saying by rapid delivery of working software product. Okay, I will make it in different colors so that your eyes can catch what is happening here. So there is a rapid delivery. There is a process of adaptability and customer satisfaction. I can put it in.
I think it's this.
Blue. Okay. Uh, okay. You have sent me something, Marina. Okay. I will open this. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay. So we said that we want a minimal viable product. Okay. If we go and look at this prototype here, uh, it is the 2 pages of the prototype. 3 pages now. Okay. So let's list the feature that you have here. Okay. So let me just I will crop this. I will snip it, sorry. So I will take this here, okay, and we go to this PowerPoint, okay, and I will just create a new slide, and I will delete this, and I will delete this, okay, and I will paste this one, and we are going to talk about the features, okay. Okay, so feature number 1, okay, I can bring a text, and this is the first feature. What is the feature? Who can mention what is the feature here?
It's
So
like a login. So you
user
put like you make an account.
user registration. Registration, correct? So you have one is user registration. Okay. Let me just put them here. The second you have is user login. Correct. Third you have is what he do after that. He choose
Or you choose the store that
he
you
choose
like
the
that you
store,
bought your
right?
furniture from.
But here it's not showing in the prototype. Is that correct?
It is. It's the last
The
one.
last one. Okay, this one. What is this?
This is unlike your account. When you make an account, there's a
So I
page for
have
your account. So you can
account.
see your history,
Settings I
your
can
past
name. Is
purchases
it
you made.
account settings I can name it? Or user profile. We can name it user
Oh
profile.
yeah, user profile.
Okay, so you have a user profile. Okay. And then 4, you have what? You have the
These are the stores that you can.
stores selection.
Yeah.
And after that, let me just copy the other. I'll duplicate this one. Okay. And take, where is that? I think it's here. Okay, sorry. Okay, now you take this. And we copy this here. And we open again the beauty. And I'll watch this. Okay, so now we continue. What is this screen doing? Now
This screen, it's where you like either scan the barcode of the furniture item or you enter the code.
so we can say
It's like to identify the item.
so I can say product selection, correct? Screen. Can I
Yeah.
say product selection? Okay. And here you have different options in this one. So I will just make a new I can say, yeah, hierarchy. So in the product selection, what you can do, you can scan
The barcode.
code. Okay. What else you can do?
And then you can enter the product code.
Meaning,
يعني إذا في
search.
رقم على البوكس
Search
you put it.
by name.
Yeah. Okay.
Search by name and ID.
Yeah.
Or okay, wait. ID, or if you said there is a رقم, what is a رقم? A number? What you mean by number? Search by name,
No,
ID, or
product number.
product number. Okay. Okay, so you can search by these three. Is there any other way to search, or this is only?
No, this is what we put
Okay,
until now.
so this is the thing. Now we have another feature here, which is the
AI chat.
not before the AI chat. This is the AI chat.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is not called AI chat. I can name it chatbot. I can name it AI chatbot. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And what else you have?
And then we have the AR
Okay,
like
so we have
display page.
AR guide. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's come to here. Where can I see why there is it's not mentioned to have the you will have the old way. It is not only AR guide, صح? You will have the normal guide. Are we going to have PDF guides?
Instructions. Instructions.
Yeah. Are you going to have the PDF?
No, I don't think so.
Think
I
of
know the whole point is to do
think
it
of
without the instructions.
yeah, but imagine that I don't want to use the AR. I want to see the guide. Isn't beneficial to have the
Yeah, we can have it as like
another option.
Yeah.
So we have the PDF guide and we have the AR guide. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now this is done. Let's just have the last slide. Okay. And here I will delete. Okay. And then I will tell you how this is connected to the agile. Maybe you are thinking why we are doing this. I will tell you now. Now we have the last screen. Okay. I will just copy this. And I will go to the beauty that I have created. Okay. Yeah. Here what we have
Feedback page.
so customer feedback page. And where are you going to use this feedback?
We're going to use it like, for example, if there's a glitch or a bug in the system, and then we'll like
why you don't have a review? Customer review.
there is at the bottom. There's like a rate us.
Okay. So there's customer feedback. This is I can name it internal. This is for the team, correct?
For everything.
No, this will not be showing to other customers, and you have the customer review.
Oh yeah.
Which will be external.
Okay.
You agree?
Yes.
Okay. What else we have?
And the shop.
You have what?
We have a shop for
Shop.
like
The
tools.
the shop is what exactly? Shop
Where
base.
we're gonna sell like tools and extra parts, and this is how we're gonna get our e-commerce.
But here in this screen, we have a store selection. How does it lead to this? Or it's not leading to this?
تحت there's a button called shop, and then if you press on it, it comes here. But the home button leads to the store
I
selection.
have one question here. Here I'm selecting the store, correct?
Yeah,
Okay. This shop
it's separate. It's for the app.
it is like a marketplace, correct? So I will
Yeah.
name it, but rather than I will name it marketplace, okay? So I can name it do it yourself. No, مش do it yourself. What is it? Build it yourself, correct?
Yes.
Marketplace. Okay. Why I'm doing this now? I will tell you. Now you have here 1 to 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here we have 8, 9, 10. Now let's think of the minimal viable product. Okay. For user registration, is it priority 1? So this is priority 1. Correct? This is important. Without it, you can't launch the app. Correct?
Yes, correct.
This is priority 1. Correct? This is priority 1. This is priority 1. Okay.
Yes.
And then this is priority 1. And AI chatbot. AI, what does the AI chatbot do exactly?
هو بس like it helps you, it helps guide you, and it, like you can tell it what you want it
Can I
to do.
make it priority 2?
Okay.
So if you launch the app without the AI chatbot at the beginning, it's okay, correct?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay, the PDF guide is priority 1.
Yeah, and the AI is priority 1.
I don't think so. AR is priority 2 for me. You don't need the AR at the beginning. You launch a simple product at the beginning, okay, without AR, and then you invest your time in the AR because AR learning will be headache for you. You agree or
But
you don't agree?
didn't you guys say you were gonna help us with the AR coding?
Yes, for sure. I will help, but see, Marina, we are going to have from June till August, 2 months only. So whatever is priority 1, we will finish in this 2 months.
Okay.
Okay, and then after launching, we can move at the same time you launch and you we start working on the priority 2. But at the same time, remember that you'll have a school.
Mm-hmm. But the entire purpose of BIY is for the AR guide. You get what I mean?
Okay, then we make AR as priority 1. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But chatbot, AI chatbot will be priority 2.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Fine. Now we come here, and this one, customer feedback is the priority 1. Okay? Because it is internal. It is for an issue in the app. Okay? But external is the priority 2. The review. We are not going to have a review at the first. You got me? And the marketplace is priority 3. So not even the first phase, not the second phase of development, the third phase. You agree?
Yes.
You understand what I'm thinking here. So
Yeah.
I will move this here and I will put it after priority 1 here. Okay. And I will take this AI chatbot and I will put it here after the customer review or the customer, so it does not matter. Okay. And this will be 7. Okay. And this will be 8. And this will be 9. You understand now what I have done. This is agile.
Yes.
You do priorities, okay? In the first phase, we are not launching the app without priority 1. In the second phase, we are not launching the app without finishing priority 2. In the third phase, we are not launching the app without finishing priority 3. This is agile. You got me? I will just say
Yes.
this, and I will name it desktop.
Mister,
Yes.
what language are we going to code the app in?
I will let you know tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Agile correct with it. I got sorry. Yeah, so I will just name this. Anyone have any questions or not, or anything you want to say to me? Okay. Build it yourself. Uh, plan. Okay. Okay, so now we have the Agile SDLC model. We understand it. We have done the priorities for the features of. Okay, there is a mistake here. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 9, 10, 11. Fine. Okay, so now we have this. Let's see what other and in here. Okay, so now we understand what is Agile. Agile methods break the project into smaller increment builds. So how many builds do we have in for build it yourself?
8 مدري 10.
We have 3 incremental builds
Really?
because each priority is a build.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so priority 1 is the first build, priority 2 is the second build, priority 3 is the third build, and it will be hectic for you this one. The marketplace is not something easy to do. Okay. Okay, these builds are provided in iterations. Each iteration typically lasts from about 1 to 3 weeks. You got me? So if we think of what we are going to launch, I don't think even of what we can do. These, if these, okay, yeah, okay, I can say okay. I tell you one thing. I tell you one thing. All this in yellow or green. Okay, green. I will put it green. All this in green. We can't launch the app without it. But the AR, we can launch the app without it. Okay? So all the green will be your first thing to develop. But you are not launching the app without the AR. But you will do the testing till number 6. And then you will start working on AR at the same time. So AR will be the second color. It will be yellow. Okay? But we are not launching the app without the priority 1. You got me? So green, it will take you this time. 3 weeks. Okay? Agree?
Yeah.
We are planning together, huh? So the green will take, so in June, which date we said in June you will start the vacation, 15 June? 15 or later on?
I'm not sure. I don't remember. بس يعني sometime
Around
around
what, give me a date. Any date you think it will be? Can we say 20th June?
Okay, yeah, 20th of June.
Okay, so 20th June, we said we are going to have 3 weeks, okay? So what we expecting, guys, this is how we do the software development planning, huh? Now I'm doing the planning with you. You understand? This is not finalized, but this is how we do. You got me? You understand
Yeah.
what I'm doing here? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'll try to wind this calendar is not opening. Okay, anyhow. So for me, I see the calendar. From 20th June, it will be Thursday. So better not 20th June. We start on Monday. So 24th June. Okay? 24th June till 24th June. It will be, just give me a second. 24th June, this 1 week, this 1 week. So 24. First is okay. This is 1. This is 2. We finish at 7. So it will be closing by 24th. 1 till Friday. Okay, 24th till Friday. First till okay. It will finish by 12th July. Okay. So by 12th July 2024, we expect to be having the green, I can name it green belt. Okay, so we have a belt called the green belt. You understand what I'm doing? Okay. Then we'll need another 3 weeks for the yellow belt. This will be the green belt. I can say timeline. Okay, and this will be the green belt. Okay, let me just put it like this and I extend that. Okay, and I put it in the duplicate side. I'll not put here. I will put it in a new slide. I will say here timeline. Okay, so build it yourself. Implementation timeline. Okay, and then we have the green build. Okay, so 24 June till 12 July. How many weeks? 3 weeks. Okay, then we expect to have from 12 June, 12 July, sorry, 12 July. So from 15th July till, anyone have any question? If you have any doubt, please let me know. From 15 July till 2nd of August. We have the yellow build. Okay, we said that we are not launching without the yellow build. Okay, this is the implementation timeline. Okay, then we have the last thing. We have what I call the gray priority 2. We said okay, priority 2. So this will be the gray build. Okay, and last on we will have, okay, let's not make this not a gray build. Let's make this blue build. Okay, blue build, and this I make as a gray build. Gray means يعني we are not doing this until the first year finish. Okay, until you see the app working fine. So the marketplace is not your priority at all. Okay, we start with the green build, then yellow build, then we need 1 week for final testing. Okay, we need 1 week for final testing. It will be from final testing. So wait, before final testing, what we called it here, deployment testing. After deployment, the software undergoes through testing to identify fix. This stage aims to ensure the software meets quality standards. Okay, I can name it. Okay, here FIT is included here. This will be SAT. What is SAT? Second acceptance test. It will be done by external testers, not by the team. Okay, during this phase, you will be doing the testing. Okay, the team will be doing that. This will be done by external testers. Okay, we name it SAT, second acceptance test. Okay, which is SAT. It will be done by external testers. Okay, you can bring your friends, you can use anyone. Okay, and this will happen for how many? Let's see how many times you have. I think you will start the school I believe you will start the school on
So we
25th.
start school August 24.
Yes, 25th, not 24th. 25th is Sunday, even 26th you will start.
26th of August.
Okay, so
So I just have a question.
Yes, please.
For 24th June till 12th June, July, and like the rest of the dates, will we be working each and every single day? Well, there's gonna be like
we
3 days in each week.
we see how, we see.
Okay.
Don't worry, now we are just planning. Every plan is just a plan until it become a real thing. So don't be what I can say afraid. It is
Yeah,
just a plan.
thank you.
26th school starts, so we don't have time until we have only time till 26th. So from 2nd August, okay, you have time till you have time till you have time till the 23rd, I can say, okay, 23rd. Yeah. We need to do in this time, you will do this second acceptance test. Okay, here I can just mention it without mentioning a time. Okay, so I will say as this time it will include SAT, okay, uh, SAT and launching two. Sorry, I think I have launching two Android. Which you want to launch first, iOS or Android? Which one you want? What kind of phones you have?
iOS.
iOS first, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
I think we are going to do both because I don't have iOS, so and Android. Okay. So you can be testing the one. So we expect to have the app in the store by 23rd. Does it look like a good plan? What do you think? And well, you will finish only yellow build. It means you'll finish till here. All this you will not be done by this time. You will launch the app with the customer feedback and AR guide, the PDF, and all this. So these screens will not be there in your app. The marketplace and the chatbot, which this screen. Okay. Any questions?
No.
So this is how we do planning. Let's go back. So we have done the plan. We have finished the planning. Now we do the requirements analysis. This we will do in uh, in June. Fine. I will share with you this documentation. Where is the WhatsApp? I will name it very important. Want to reply. Okay, I can reply with confirm. This is very important to study. Okay. So this last resource I have shared with you is very important to study. What I need you to do, I need you to take time today. So you have, our meeting was supposed to be till 12, صحيح? Correct? So what you will do in the next 1 hour, you will go through this tutorial. Okay, you will understand this. You will go through the agile model. Forget about other things. Only this. So you go through this, you understand it. If I go next, what will happen? Okay, this I don't need. I need you just to go through this page, okay? Understand it, okay? Write your notes. And also, if you can go through other resources, and also I will print for you this page. This will be if you want to print it in your home. Save as PDF. I will do rescaling. Give me the rescaling. How can I scale? I can't rescale. Like I should be able to rescale. I'm not sure what is happening now, but it should be allow me to scale. Okay, it does not allow me to scale. I will just save it here, okay? And I will put you a PDF also. How I'm trying to help you here, okay? So I'm trying to make it easy for you. It is only 4 pages. Just go through it, okay? PDF version for the same. Okay, so your homework, you need to go through this PDF for the next 1 hour, okay, till 12. Write your notes, okay, and share it on WhatsApp. I will go through the notes, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about it. Is that fine? And tomorrow we are going to start with a mobile app project. Any questions?
Still, will we ever get to the point where you're gonna teach us the designing of the app?
I don't think we are going to do it in this 2 days, Marina. So this we'll do once we start in June. It will be
In
part of
June, we'll
the
have sessions to